everyone, welcome to the English program. I am Chi from Secondary 3/7
And I am in from Secondary 3/8.
We are your EP new reporters. Hey! Secondary 1 to 3 students in EGL English as a global language went to the M4 studio September 8 for their elective subject study trip. During this trip, students learned about the TV production industry. This includes aspects such as filming, stage plays, cinematography, and other aspects.
Students had the chance to reheat and film their own TV screen using a script they prepared beforehand. This helped them refine their full English language skill while learning and getting advice from professionals.
This study trip held by EP helps students gain knowledge and catch a glimpse of what it takes to have a career in the TV industry. Student passion for the English language grew as a result of these activities.
This trip provides a valuable experience to perform in front of others. Let's watch some of their clips.
Hello,
my name is Lady from M1/8 Assumption Smooth Broadcast School. I'm 12 years old. My hobby is dancing and playing guitar.
show me your groove. Show me your balance.
No. Why would I need that?
First groove.
See, that wasn't that bad.
I'm going to throw up. Same. I'm surprised we didn't get pulled over. I need a drink.
Aren't you underage?
It's alright, Amy. It's only your first day, but make sure you arrive to school earlier. You can sit next to me. I am Cheese.
And I am Ing.
Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and share. We love EP Facebook page and ACSP English Program YouTube channel. Bye bye!